All right, who's your next witness?
Judge, the state is calling Audra Agramante.
Okay. All right, and this is, I believe, another witness who does not want their identity broadcast, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good.
Turn this back to the elbow.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give in this class will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Please state your full name for the record.
Audra Agramante.
Ms. Agramante, back in June of 2024, did you live in Tampa?
No.
What city did you live in?
Lake Worth?
Were you visiting Tampa June 22nd of 2024, going into the early morning hours of June 23rd of 2024?
Yes.
Why were you here in Tampa?
We were moving my daughter into the dorms at University of South Florida for her first semester of college. And with myself, was my husband, Nestor Agramante, my daughter, Alyssa Agramante, and her boyfriend, Braden Smith.
Where were you staying at during the time in Tampa?
Home 2 Suites across from campus?
Okay. Is that the one located on McKinley Drive?
Yes, I believe so.
And you said across the campus from University of South Florida?
Yes.
I'm going to ask you about the early mornings of June of 2024, June 23rd of 2024. Do you remember what hotel room you were staying in?
Yes. It was on the second floor, and I believe it was room 230.
And who was staying in that room with you?
It was myself, Nestor, and Braden.
Did anything unusual happen in the early morning hours?
Yes.
Tell us what happened.
Okay. Sorry, it was a really scary night. We were sound asleep around 4:30 in the morning. I heard popping noises. By the time I realized what it was, thinking it was maybe gunshots, Braden, who was in the bed on the other side of us, pulled me down to the ground and shielded me. Right at the same time, my husband went and looked out the window, saw there was a bullet that hit the window, so he yelled for us to get down. And of course, we were already down at that point.
Was your daughter at the dorm rooms at that point?
Yes, she was.
After that happened, did you try to get information and make some phone calls?
Yes. Yeah, we called 911, we called the hotel lobby and USF campus police because I was really worried about my daughter.
At some point, did law enforcement respond to your room to take photographs and collect evidence?
Yes, they did.
I'm going to show you what's already been introduced into Evidence States Exhibit 19A. Is this the door or photograph of the door? And I'm going to blow it up for you so you can see it because I know the number is small. Is that the door of the room that you stayed in?
Yes.
I'm going to show you States Exhibit 19B. Is this a picture looking in at the room that you were in?
Yes,
And you said that there were 2 beds, is that correct?
yes.
Which one were you and your husband in? And let me show you 19C.
So we were in the bed that was closest to the window.
And then Braden, and what was Miss Braden's last name?
Smith?
So Mr. Smith was in the other bed, is that correct?
Yes.
I'm gonna show you State's Exhibit 69. What's that a photograph of?
That was the bullet that hit our window. And then, I don't know if you can see it there, but there was some like bullet fragments on top of the AC unit.
I'll show you 19F. Is that what you're referring to?
Yes,
And then 19G, is that a close-up of what you found on the AC unit after the shooting?
yes, it was.
Did you and your husband also rent a rental vehicle to help move your daughter into her dorm room?
Yes, we did. It was a minivan.
And what color was the minivan?
I think it was tan color.
When you and your husband were going to leave, was there damage that was seen to the minivan?
Yes,
And was that also reported to law enforcement?
yes.
I'm going to show you again what's already been introduced into evidence. State's Exhibit 16A. Is that a photo of the minivan that you and your husband had rented?
Yes.
Then I'm going to show you 16C. Is that the license plate in the rear of the vehicle?
Yes.
And was there damage to that license plate?
Yeah, right on the queue, that's where there was a bullet that went through.
I'm going to show you 16D. Let's zoom it. 1 second, let me zoom it a little bit. Is that what you're referring to?
Yes.
And did the bullet actually penetrate into the interior of the vehicle?
Yes, it did.
And was there damage to the interior of the vehicle?
Yes.
And at some point, did crime scene investigators from the Tampa Police Department, did they respond to document and photograph all of the damage, the exterior as well as the interior of that vehicle?
Yes, they did.
Your Honor, at this time, we pass the witness.
Okay, any questions, Mr. Gonzalez?
No questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Sonardi?
No questions, Your Honor.
Mr. Wise?
No questions.
Mr. Petrides?
No questions, Your Honor.
All right, may this witness be excused?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, ma'am, you're free to go.
Thank you.